A very good morning, everyone. This is Getting Rich, and I got a new method for you to, make money online. So, what we first need to do is we need to go to Google News. So let me type that out. Google News. Well, everything is in Dutch for me, so I'll just update it to English. Now that we are in Google News, what we need to do is find a niche like health, mental health, healthcare. Let's do healthcare. Search for a nice article. Analysis. Like this. Yeah, except so what we need to do is just copy and paste some text, and we'll go to spinbot.com. So in spinbot.com, what we'll do is this program is a rewriting tool. So what it will do is it will rewrite your text. Like good morning, everyone. We're back. Good day, everybody. We're back. We were booked to distribute Tuesday through Thursday this week. Well, it just rewrites the entire text for you. Not very good, but it's decent, If you want to rewrite that text again, you could try that. Do it like this. And you see this. So you could try it, you have two spins. You could try to do it multiple times to have a better way to, rewrite your text. But that's it. So you're asking me why would I do this? So what we'll need to do is, after you got that text, that whole article set up, rewrote and everything, we'll do this. We'll go to the website that buys your articles. Websites like eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com is a website. It talks about health, something, I don't know. And you could submit your article through this. You could fill out this form, or you could just go to, where is it? You could just contact these guys with using their email, but their email is gone. You could only do a form, but if you want the email, I'll pull it in the description for you. So just fill out this form, choose topic area, do all this, and eventually, if they like the article, they'll ask for your payment information, and you're getting up to $1 per word for this. So if you have 1,000 words, well, it's $1, so you get $1,000 literally just for writing an article. Well, copy pasting an article and see if it's good, and that's it. So this is the first website. You could submit it, and if they like it, they'll send you money. It's basically free. It's literally copy and paste. So yeah, I'll put an email, and if you want to email them, you could do that too. Just email them and type in this subject as content submission. So they'll understand that it's a submit article thingy. They'll check your email, and if they like it, they'll ask for your information, your payment information, and that's it. And the second website you could do that is on sierraclub.com. Yeah. sierraclub.com, article submission. You could do it with so many websites, but for now I'll just show you 3. sierraclub.com, you could do submissions. Where is it? I don't know if they still do it. They used to do it 100%. Or you could just go in here. They'll tell you, get paid to write articles, 17 magazines to pay $500 or more. Bro, early American life, so many things, just ask. And Sierra Club. There you go, Sierra. They'll pay you a lot. Like a lot of money. Just look for which sites pay you, which ones are giving you like the most, and just put everything on a Word document, send it to them, and boom, easy money, literally, out here, with Spinbot and Google News. The good thing about Google News is like they're posting a lot, 15 hours ago, 17 hours ago, 2 days ago, and you could just scroll all the way down, see what's happening, see what's good, see 16 hours ago, 14 hours ago, a lot, bro. So there's no content that you there's a lot of content that you could pick from and choose and copyright everything. No worries. Alright, that's all for today. If you like this, if you got all the way in here, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to do more videos like this. Yeah, ask me what you want. Ask me some questions if you need some questions. I'm ready to, tell you whatever. And good luck.